Exporting a specific part of your video in CapCut PC takes less than a minute. Let's look at the timeline where the video file is already loaded. Instead of cutting and deleting the rest of your footage, you can use a much quicker method that preserves your original edit. First, grab the playhead, which is the vertical line on your timeline, and scrub through your footage. Stop exactly on the first frame of the section you want to save. On your keyboard, press the I key. This instantly marks your in point. Next, drag that same playhead further down the timeline to the very last frame of the section you need. Press the O key on your keyboard to set your out point. You will immediately notice that CapCut highlights only this specific area, turning the rest of the timeline gray. Now navigate your mouse to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Export button. A settings window will pop up. The important thing is that CapCut automatically handles the restriction here. Your final file will only contain the highlighted section. However, the catch is that if you forget to clear this selection later, every future export will also be restricted to this exact tiny slice of video. In my case, I always clear it immediately after saving the file. Go ahead and click the Export button to save the file to your computer. Once the progress bar finishes, you can back out of this menu. To remove the highlighted zone and get your full timeline back, simply click anywhere at the timeline where it says Cancel. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.